This is going to be a simple thing. It's like a parade or a rally. We're all going to just be doing like 70, 75. We're all just going to come together for a nice big shoot so that everybody gets together. So people that feel like they're fairly competent and skilled drivers would be the last two. Those two are going to have to move over together because it's 2 lanes. They're going to have to kind of stop that traffic that's coming behind us to let us all squish together. The thing is because it's your guys' clubs and because this event was hosted and because it's out there, like, I don't want any bad rep. The yellow Supra and the red S2000 are going to be the first 2 cars following. It won't be like a spirited drive, nothing reckless, just basically a car community getting together and having fun. So. About to take over the world.
Can I ask why you didn't pull over everyone else that was doing a burnout right in front of you, did a pull without a license plate on, but yet you guys always come after me? You always target me.
I've never pulled you over in my life.
No?
You even know who I am?
No, but everyone knows who I am.
Okay.
They always talk about me, they always target me with everything. I was just curious, because you literally saw someone do a physical burnout in front of you, didn't do nothing about it, didn't do anything about anyone else doing stuff.
I watched the burnout. It's on private property already.
It's fair. It doesn't make it right, though. I mean,
anything else I can help you with?
No. Does that mean no, I can do burnouts in private property then?
I'm not going to give you the permission to do it.
But wouldn't I have the right to?
I just help you.
Okay. Thank you. He said...
Logan's back. Yeah. Oh my. At the front, all the way. This entire road. Oh my gosh.
The Eagles with us? I didn't know that. It's fun. Decided to take over a mobile, because why not? Who are you gonna pull over? Logan. For what? Headlight. For a headlight? Alright guys, it's the end of the night. We're tired, we're toasted. We're at Quick Trip now. We're just chilling.
You don't get kicked out. Yeah, you just want to chill.
You should go now. Run. No, I won't leave you here. We can run together. Listen, if we run together, they will shoot us from behind. We both die. So, how's about you here? They will kill you. No, don't worry about me. I will hold them. I want you to promise me to survive, to take this message for our country.
Guys, sitting in the meet. I don't know what we're gonna do now. Probably just go to bed. A lot of cars here today. I appreciate everyone that has been watching so far. Stay tuned for much more. Please subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about my videos. I love hate. Send it all. Send all the hate. Ryan. I'm just kidding.